Examen Let's Play the Game of Exams provides you the platform for learning, improve your technical skills for those who prepares for certification exams. You can play with various exams or create your own questions and start sharing it with your friends. This is an intuitive application where you can study and test your skills. Let's go to main topic. The first screen displays multiple exam categories having administration, business, management and technology. On selection of the categories, system navigates to subtopics. Subtopic. Each main category has multiple subtopics. On selection of any subtopic, system will navigate to respective selection page. Modes. On clicking exam selection mode, Examen will take you to respective exam selection page screen. The user can then select in the type of exam mode they want to take the exams. The different modes are practice question mode, game mode, quiz mode, and we have 3 more sections called flashcard, dashboard and get more questions. Let's move on to game mode. In game mode, user need to answer all questions within the stipulated time shown on the top right corner. User has the option to skip the question or quit the session by clicking skip and quit buttons. User can revisit the selected option if he has enough time to answer. If user was not able to complete before the specified time, Examen will automatically skip rest of the questions and will display the results with answers. Now let's see the quiz mode. Quiz mode is different from game mode. It displays the question for a minute for user to answer. Once answered, user won't get another chance to revisit the answer, and Examen will show the result with detailed description. Each question is having 60 seconds for the user to answer. Once timed out, the Examen will take the user to the next question. User has option to skip the question or quit the session, and Examen will show the final score. Results and answers mode. Results mode having 2 segments called results and answers. Results tab will display the result based on how much user has scored along with their beautiful certificate for user to share with their friends with social networking sites like Facebook and Twitter. User can revisit each question and the correct answer and the detailed description of the answer. Next most interesting one, practice question mode. On selecting the practice question mode, the user will get list of practice questions. Each question will be having hint to explain the answer. After completing the practice section, an alert will be displayed. The practice mode doesn't have any time limit for answering the questions. Flashcard. With flashcard, the user can add their own question and answer options. The flashcard can be saved for later use. The user can select his favorite flashcard, which displays the detailed description of the question. On tap of the card, it gets flipped to show the respective answer. Here, user gets an option to share and tweet the flashcard with Facebook and Twitter. The page has an options button, which has delete this card, add new card and edit this card to manage the flashcard, and it do the function as the name says. Dashboard. Dashboard has 2 sections. The first one is the number of tests attempted and the second one has recent test details. Number of tests displays how many tests the user has attempted so far on a particular subtopic. Recent test information gives information of the recent test with the grade and percentage that the user has scored in a display bar. Thank you, and let's start playing with Examen.